In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Turbo AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first what we need to do is head on over to a Player App Store and search for Turbo AI, and this is it here. So it's got over 1 million downloads and close to 160,000 reviews. So we need to go ahead, download and install it. From here, go in and click on open it for the first time. Now from here, it's going to ask you what describes you best. We use this to personalize your experience, so choose which one. How do you plan on using Turbo? So I want to do YouTube videos. You can enable notifications. Now leave a rating if you want, then click continue. Now we need to go ahead and create our account. So last step before we get started, so go ahead and click on continue with Google, or you can simply log in if you already got an account. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. Okay, from here they're going to personalize your experience. So click on the Get Started Now button. Then from here, you might need to go ahead and purchase, but if you want to use it for free, you can. So you can just click the little drop down menu to get over here. Now what we can do from here is go ahead and click on the big plus icon, so we can record or upload audio, a YouTube video, or upload a document. So basically Turbo AI can understand and summarize these files. So yeah, you can record or upload an existing voice note or podcast. The AI can summarize or extract key points from a YouTube video link, and also upload a document, so import PDF, Word files, or text files for quick summaries or rewriting. Once uploaded, type something like summarize this document or give me key insights, and Turbo AI is going to do the rest. Now also, Turbo AI also offers different modes and tools. So it's a writing assistant for blogs, essays, or captions. It's got creative mode for stories, ads, or social posts. It's got an image generate if available, so I can create images from text prompts, and also can research and summarize. So this is perfect for notes, lectures, or reports. Now we can also save, share, and export next to the response from the AI, and you can also check your history tab to view past conversations in here.